Hi, guess what? Now we're on week 6 in healthcare delivery systems. This week we're going to look at outpatient and ambulatory care services. The PowerPoint for this week is going to introduce you to some new terms, one of the terms which is primary care. And in order to understand ambulatory care, you have to understand what primary care is. So the first part of the PowerPoint will focus on that. Primary care is important as most health care is received as an outpatient by a primary care provider. And the growth of technology has also impacted healthcare in the outpatient setting, as more and more surgeries, once possible only as an inpatient, now are possible as an outpatient. So I'll give you an example. Many years ago, I had a friend who worked in the health information field way back, and she worked in utilization review, which is how services were delivered. And she actually had a book that said how long an average hospital stay was for different procedures. So at that time, if you had a baby, your hospital stay was 5 days. Cataract surgeries, which were very new and considered risky, usually involved a 5 to 7 day inpatient hospital stay with the person laying flat on their back much of that time and not able to move. So hospital stays back in that time, before we had a lot of technology, were quite lengthy. Now technology, you can get gallbladder surgery as an outpatient, you can get hernia surgery as an outpatient, you can get cataract surgery as an outpatient. So it's really impacted the delivery of health care. There is a lot of content this week also focused on the emergency use and how much it costs. This has always been a hot topic for the last several years, hasn't changed, and all hospitals do have an emergency room as part of their services. The misuse of emergency rooms is a primary concern because of the cost of care delivered in that setting. So the PowerPoint will go into that. So you will also see then this week the different types of ambulatory care and some of the options that are out there. And then in later units, we'll go back again once more to the Affordable Care Act and how that influenced ambulatory care. So this week is relatively short. You'll still have your assignments, but be sure to look them over and watch your PowerPoints and also read your transcripts. Thank you.